how to connect DJI Mic Mini from transmitter to receiver. Now maybe you're trying to connect these two right here. The other end you want to connect to your camera or your smartphone, doesn't really matter, right? But this two is not connected, and how do we know if this two is paired? So that when you're speaking on this from your clip-on space, how do you know that the audio is being sent right there? Now to do this, first of all, both of these is currently turned off. So if it is turned on, I want you to completely turn both of these off. To turn it back on, you can see the power button. So just go ahead and then look for that power button. So you can see right here, we happen to have that power button. And for the other one also, we have the little power button, as you can see. Now what you want to do is long press and hold both of these until they turn on. When they turn on, you will see the green light blink like this. Now currently, in my case, it is paired. How do we know that? This is in constant green, which means this is not blinking. And in the other one, it is connected to one of the mics right here. So you can see 1 and 2, and one mic is connected. I do not have the other transmitter, that's why the other one is not connected. But in my case, it is paired. Now to unpair it, you can see this pair button on the receiver as well as also the transmitter. So when it is unpaired, maybe you long press both of these. And if it is unpaired, you can see on the other side, you can see there's really nothing there. And over here, it will be highlighted in blue plus green. So when you unpair it, this is going to be green plus blue. So this is currently unpaired right here. I'm not sure if it's visible in the camera, but if it is unpaired, it will be in green and blue. And then you know that they are not currently paired. So when you want to pair them, you have to long press the pairing button on both of these. And when you long press the pairing button, when it is in blue, then you can see it will search for the mic. And once it's done searching for the mic, let me just go ahead and do that. It will go ahead and then show this blue and green. When it is doing that on the receiver, you can see it is searching for the mic, and when it is in constant green for one of the mics or both of these mics, then you know that these two is currently paired. So now you can go ahead and then connect this cable to the receiver and connect it to your camera, or you can use a Type-C adapter to connect it to your smartphone. I hope the video helped you, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.